Sling Studio is easy to use. I love that easy button because that's what the Sling Studio is really about. It's a complete multi-camera live stream production system. You can combine it with HDMI cameras, phones, graphics, an audio mixer, and do special effects and more. Minimal production crew needed. It's perfect for volunteer students, beginners. And that's the thing I want to stress here. If you're a church, a school being forced to all of a sudden stream lectures, or a corporate video place who've said, we have to do our sales training remotely now instead of having the sales team come in. This product is so easy to use. The setup's going to take you about a half hour to an hour, getting all the programs up and running on your iPad or whatever you're going to use, or your MacBook. But once you get your program set up and you get your content, your materials loaded into the show, it's so easy to run the show. I'm really serious. You could teach someone how to use this in 15 minutes. They could be up and running just great. And I want to talk about like the whole echo kind of system that we have here. So what we're showing here is you can see that you bring in a camcorder from the Sling Studio, camera link, you bring in a DSLR camera. Now, note about DSLR cameras, you have to make sure your DSLR camera has clean output. We'll talk about that a little more. You bring in a smartphone, you can bring any kind of video camera in there. So it'll record to its internal, you can put a card in it to record, or you could actually plug in an external USB card, USB drive, like a C drive you can plug into it and be going and doing good stuff with that. And it also, it goes with the console app, which is a iPad or a Mac Pro. So